Ever wondered how sleek modernity and timeless rustic charm come together in perfect harmony? Today, we reveal the magic of modern rustic design, a blend that promises to transform any space into a haven of style and warmth. At Visionary Designs, we explore captivating design styles that inspire and transform spaces. If you're passionate about discovering unique design ideas that bridge the gap between modern and traditional, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's explore the distinctive elements that make modern rustic design so appealing. Our showcase begins with entryways that embody the modern rustic style. Picture a sleek console table made of polished concrete, topped with a reclaimed wood vase holding dried wildflowers. A large minimalist mirror with a distressed wood frame reflects light from an industrial-style pendant lamp. The floor features wide plank oak boards with a matte finish, seamlessly blending modern simplicity with rustic texture. These entryways exemplify how modern rustic design creates a welcoming atmosphere by combining clean lines with natural materials, setting a tone of refined coziness from the moment you step inside. In the living room, the modern rustic aesthetic truly shines. Imagine a low-profile leather sofa in a rich cognac color, adorned with hand-woven wool throws. Beside it, a raw-edge wood coffee table sits atop a geometric patterned rug, marrying organic forms with contemporary design. The focal point, a sleek, linear fireplace surrounded by rough-hewn stone, epitomizing the modern rustic blend. These living spaces showcase how modern rustic design creates a serene yet stimulating environment where cutting-edge comfort meets the timeless appeal of natural elements. Modern rustic kitchens are a chef's dream. Envision streamlined, handleless cabinets in a matte charcoal finish, contrasted with open shelving made from reclaimed barnwood. State-of-the-art stainless steel appliances stand alongside a farmhouse sink, while a polished concrete island is paired with vintage wooden bar stools. Pendant lights with Edison bulbs in clear glass globes add a touch of industrial chic. These kitchens demonstrate how modern rustic design seamlessly integrates high functionality with homey charm, creating spaces that are both efficient and full of character. In the dining area, modern rustic design creates unforgettable gathering spaces. Picture a sleek, extendable glass dining table surrounded by chairs upholstered in natural linen. Above, a modern chandelier with organic-inspired forms casts a warm glow. A reclaimed wood sideboard displays a mix of modern ceramics and vintage copper pieces, perfectly encapsulating the modern rustic ethos. These dining spaces show how modern rustic design facilitates connection, combining the clean lines of modern design with the inviting warmth of rustic elements. Modern rustic bedrooms offer a tranquil retreat. Imagine a platform bed with a live edge headboard, dressed in high thread count linens in earth tones. Flanking the bed, floating nightstands in powder-coated metal hold sculptural table lamps. A plush area rug adds softness underfoot, while a modern armchair upholstered in distressed leather provides a cozy reading nook. These bedrooms highlight how modern rustic design creates a peaceful sanctuary by balancing minimalist modernity with nature-inspired textures and materials. In the bathroom, modern rustic design creates a spa-like oasis. Visualize a freestanding oval soaking tub beside a window with natural wood shutters. The vanity combines a concrete countertop with a cabinet made from weathered wood. Large format tiles in a stone-look finish cover the floors, while a rain shower head and handheld sprayer in matte black finish add contemporary functionality. These bathrooms exemplify how modern rustic design elevates everyday routines, merging luxurious modern fixtures with organic textures for a rejuvenating experience. Modern rustic design extends beautifully to outdoor spaces. Picture a covered patio with a polished concrete floor, furnished with a mix of streamlined outdoor sofas and vintage rocking chairs. A modern fire pit becomes the centerpiece, surrounded by Adirondack chairs made from recycled materials. String lights and lanterns create a magical ambiance as day turns to night. These outdoor areas demonstrate how modern rustic design blurs the lines between indoor comfort and outdoor living, creating versatile spaces that celebrate nature while providing modern conveniences. As we conclude our journey through modern rustic design, we see how this style uniquely combines the best of both worlds. It offers the clean lines, functionality, and sophistication of modern design, while incorporating the warmth, texture, and timeless appeal of rustic elements. This fusion creates spaces that are not only visually striking, but also inherently comfortable and inviting. A perfect reflection of contemporary living that doesn't forget its roots. If you've been inspired by the harmonious blend of old and new in modern rustic design, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more innovative design ideas. Share your thoughts or favorite modern rustic elements in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're incorporating this style into your own spaces. Until next time, keep exploring the beautiful balance between modern innovation and rustic charm in your home design journey.